Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul, and in this video I'm going to talk about a couple of trades I made just a few days ago where I nailed the absolute bottom using cumulative delta divergence, footprint charts and order flow. So as you watch through each of the trades, you'll see how I'm watching the order flow, comparing my footprint charts with the cumulative delta divergence and just waiting to find that entry. It did take 4 attempts to nail the bottom. The first one was a stop, the second one was a break even, and the third one was a small winning trade. But the fourth trade, which is right at the end of this video, was the one where I absolutely nailed the bottom. And cumulative delta divergence was beautifully played. So please carry on watching and you'll see exactly how I did it. If you want to see me trade live every single day going over all of these trades, then come and join me. I go live in a pre-market prep show that starts at 9 AM Eastern time, and then I trade on for the next hour. We normally pick up some decent trades, and as you can see from my P&L from the last month, mainly green days on good scalps. And then going over to March this month, you can also see another green, exceptionally great week. So come and join in, come and watch and tune in to the pre-market show every single day at 9 AM Eastern time, and we can go through some trades and trade together. Okay, so let's move on with the video. So what we're looking for is a cumulative delta divergence break. We want to see price and delta both go in the same direction. The market's about to open in 2 seconds. Here we go. So we've got positive deltas coming in. So we've got negative delta. I'm not a big fan of going long at the moment. Let's just see. We're going to hold this area. Delta, we've got strong delta coming in. Is price going to follow? Probably that was the place there. If we come back down, I might find a short, a long. No, I was too late in. I would have taken it. If we come back down and retest this area, let's look for some buyers come in about here. I'm not going to rush in. No, too many aggressive negative deltas. So it's not a buy, and that's why we wait for confirmation. That's okay, and that's why we sit and watch, and that's why we analyze the footprint charts first. So positive deltas coming in at the bottom here. Point of control at the bottom. I do like this actually. Buying imbalances. So if we break this pivot, I might look for a long. Just want to see a retest. I only get in on the same color of the entry. So if I'm looking for a long, I'm looking for a green candle. I don't go in on a red. Are we going to hold this bottom? We've still got a small negative delta. We've got negative deltas coming in. So still no play yet. That's another point of control at the bottom of the candle with a positive delta coming in. We've got a neutral delta on the right screen. So again, we want to see green delta. So still not an entry. Coming back down to pre-market low levels now, as you can see on the 5-minute chart above. Aligned point control, I like seeing that. So this looks good now. Is this a support area? We've got minus, no, I was about to say, we've got minus 150 delta. We want to see positive delta divergences, not negative delta divergences. So potentially we've got our aligned. This is a big area. We know that 67.40. We've got lots of buying and selling sitting down that area. So we still want to see positive delta and green candle and a green delta. We don't really want to be going long yet, but I do like the long still. We're just trying to find the entry, being patient with the entry. Here we go. We're pulling back a bit. Small negative deltas on this pullback. We've got some absorption. I'm going to look for a long about now. Okay, I was a little bit late in. Not quite sure what happened there. 181. That's one of my eval accounts. So I did take a 10-tick stop. I probably anticipated. I wanted to get in on the break of that pivot. Still looks good for the long. We've got positive delta. We've got some negative deltas coming in now. So maybe this could be a stop. And it's a stop. So it is what it is. So I didn't like these negative deltas coming in. The breakout was good. I was waiting for the breakout of that pivot on a green candle. We had relatively green delta coming in at the time. holding this pre-market low area still. So, by the way, I took a loss of $500. That's my loss. That's my full loss. That is per PA account. There is an head and shoulders pattern setting up here as well. Inverse head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Right shoulder, and this is the break and retest. Negative deltas though. One of my favourite patterns. Look at this on the cumulative delta. We know we've got buyers in this area because the buyers keep pushing the cumulative delta, and then sellers come in pretty neutral. I do like that. If we get over 67.30, I like this for the long, and that will be into pre-market 67.35. So we've got a little bit of movement for a long if we can get there to pre-market low. So let's just find the entry. Positive deltas are coming in. I'm going to go long now on the pullback into that pivot. Oh, it's taking out 10 ticks. Are we going to hold? Doesn't look like. So my 10 tick stop kind of just triggered. That's my emergency stop. Did take it long. Here we go. We're coming into that 20 ticks. So I'm only long 2 contracts now because of I have a 10 tick stop. There we go. So I'm now break even. The long's looking good. Let me just trail that up because I want to trail this if I can. So I'm break even for the day. Let me just see where we are. Hang on. I was just zooming out so I can see where the market could be going. Here we are. Let's make it a bit bigger. That's better. Then we can see. That's where I've got. I just trailed up my target. Are we going to lose this area? Small negative delta. Positive delta's coming in. We do have massive positive delta coming in from buyers right now. That's why I'm trailing it. 67.50. I'm just keeping an eye on that area. If the buyers take control, then we're going to be breaking out because we've got a big delta. But if not, then I'm going to be stopping out at break even. Doesn't look like it wants. No, and I'm out at break even. Basically, that trade, I took 20 ticks and I took 10 ticks loss. So slightly green on that trade. But that's why we have that protection in place. It's probably going to go now. Let me just have a look. That's the area so we watch for the break. Look at that. We broke that area pretty well. Just couldn't run. Still like it for the long. We still got that gap above. We've got aggressive buyers still coming in. So let's just analyze this one more time. So that's the area there. We're holding that 67.35. Remember that 67.35 we talked about earlier where we saw some big orders sitting? That's that area again, but we weren't able to break above it. So let's go back so we can see everything. We don't want to be looking at footprint charts in isolation, no matter how good they are. You still want to see general market. Look at the delta. We're getting strong delta coming in now. There's a divergence here. So the long is still looking good. It's just a matter of finding that entry. Go back. That's that area we said we want to watch. And we're sitting right in that area still. So I still like it for a long. If we can get some good positive deltas coming in with lack of interest from sellers, then it might be a good for a long still. Small deltas are coming in now. Positive deltas. This is looking better. So we've got small negative deltas, positive deltas, bigger positive deltas. So we've got the aggressive buyers still coming in. We just want to see that 2-minute candle break above. So we want to see basically green candle and a green candle. At the moment, we're just getting lots of absorption from the sellers. Buyers are buying into it. The sellers absorbing all this area. Okay, so I'm looking for long about here. Here we go. First target. It's already been hit. I'm going to keep this as close to break. Here we go. 20 ticks. I'm trailing the 40 tick. Make it bigger again. We've got aggressive buyers coming in. We've still got all that aggressive buyers. So I'm back at break even now. I'm green for the day as well. Okay. That's it. Stopped at break even again. That's why we have our break evens in. the last two scalps were green, which makes up for the first one, which was a stop. I still think we're going to find a long, but while it's just sitting down here chopping around, it's probably best to stay out of it. What we're looking for, this is the strategy I play. We look for a break of trend. So that's our trend line. You know, I'll do this though, look for a breakout over that area, maybe a retest of that trend line. Remember, we talk about breaking and retest of trend lines with a big green aggressive candle as well, and we're not seeing that. I'm watching delta as well. I'm looking for a delta break basically. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Here we go, we're not getting that delta break, and that's why we wait for confirmation. We wait for break of trend line, and then we're waiting for cumulative delta both to set up in the same direction. But we have got this delta divergence right now. Wow, look at that. Big aggressive buyers coming in there, and sellers came into it. Looking at the 5 minute chart on my top left of the screen, we've got decline in volume as price is declining. So again, that kind of goes with what we're looking up here as well. Cumulative delta, we can see that trend line quite clearly now, and we can draw this one in as well. So look at this. What are we seeing? We've got positive deltas, we've got some negative deltas. It's not so okay, some nice positive deltas coming in. Small negative delta, another small negative delta. Am I tempted to find one more short, one more long? Aggressive buyers are coming in as well. Small negative delta on a bottom tail candle. It's looking good at the moment for a long. I'm going to go long here. Okay, that's my first target. As I'm now in profit, I'm going to protect the profit. Still got a positive delta coming in. Just holding this area. Here we go. Come on, buyers. Here we go. This is moving quick now. Okay, so we're not getting over this area, are we? Small negative delta as well. I've still got my protection stopping just below this region. If we lose that area, then I'm out. Are we going to hold? Coming back up. Here we go. Let's get to that 20 ticks. Just break and make a new little high. Okay. We've got buying imbalances, which is a good sign. We've got positive deltas coming in. 20. Oh, I thought that's 20 ticks then. Just want to get to break even. So now I'm at break even. Whatever happens, it's risk free. And I'm too late. Oh no, I'm trailing my runner. I'm going to be trailing this now. So I'm holding this area, so it's a very green trade now. 6750, that's that key area we're talking about. Are we going to get up to that area? If not, I'm going to be closing in good profit. Trailing the pivots. This one contract's up $600, $700 almost. You know, it's a scalp, so if it stops me out like it has done, that's it, done. So again, read in the cumulative delta, look at the cumulative delta break on the right screen. So that's where we got in, and that's where we got out, kind of into those pivots, into that resistance area. I was hoping to get up here, but it didn't make it that far. So that's me definitely done, and I end the day up actually $700 per account, which is okay. So that was one of those ones where we were waiting for that break of trend just there with a green positive delta there. So That's the only reason I came back into it, because I saw that breaking. So there you go, easy. Just being patient, that's all that matters. And now I'm definitely done. That's 4 trades. Stop, a break even, a win, and a win. That's it, yeah. Definitely done now. You know, this is when the market slows down after the first 30 minutes, so we don't get those fast moves. 4 trades, in my opinion, is over trading. But we had the idea in place, and the idea was there, and it executed it as well. You know, I'd only be kicking myself if I look at that and saw, yeah, I spotted that. We were talking about it for about 25 minutes before it happened, 20 minutes, at least 15 minutes before it happened. So I would be kicking myself if I didn't take it, even though 4 trades is over trading.
Are you still making trading decisions looking at a plain candlestick? If you are, you're only seeing half the story. A normal candle tells you where the price went, but it doesn't tell you why. I've developed my Footprint Pro pack to give you X-ray vision into the market. Instead of guessing, you can see the actual battle between buyers and sellers. This package highlights pointer controls, spots aggressive imbalances, and shows you exactly where trapped traders are stuck. It takes the guesswork out of entries and, more importantly, gives you precise levels for your exits. Stop trading blind. You can download my indicator right now. The link to Footprint Pro is in the description below.